We go through and we check all the doors, make sure that they open and close properly and that they've got a nice seal when they close. And so far, these definitely have a nice seal, so that's good. However, when we get here to this, it's not catching, right? And it's a little weak. So there's something going on structurally with this wall here that needs to be reinforced. I suspect that when you pop this trim right here, it's not properly tied in with some good hardware on that, and should be looked at for this door frame so that you've got a nice good seal. And then coming in here, obviously some of these seams